Hi, we are going to make some delicious cupcakes here. They are not ordinary cupcakes, they are jumping cupcakes. Alrighty, let's hop to it. For this project, we also need a rubber band. The download link is in the description below. There is one SVG file for Cricut, one Studio3 file for Cameo. Upload the cupcake SVG file into Design Space. There are 3 parts we need to change scroll line. Right click and ungroup. Those three parts are the one we need to change to scroll line. Click it. I have grouped them together. So once you click the item, 2 layers will be selected. Click the top one, go to the top here, change it to scroll. Click it again, both layers are selected, and go down to the bottom, attach. Same as this one. Change the top layer to scroll, and click attach them together. There are a few pieces here. This is one set. Each set can make 1 cream on the top. So change the scroll on the top layer. Change the top layer to scroll. Click again and attach together. Now we are going to duplicate the elements we need. We will need 2 of the big pieces for the cupcake. Click it, right click and duplicate. This panel is going inside the cupcake to make the structure stronger. We will need 4 pieces. They won't be seen from outside, so they can really be any color. Right click, duplicate. We have 2. We have 2 now. Duplicate again. 4. We have 4 pieces now. That's all we need. And each set make 1 cream, so we will need 6 of them. Right click, duplicate. Continue duplicate until we have 6 of them. We have 4 now. Duplicate. Now all the elements are set. Just click make it to continue. Here is all the white part and green. This is the cupcake case. And rolling down. This is a cupcake body. And these 4 pieces, they are inside, so I reckon I can squeeze them into page 4 and 5. So I'm going to move around to save some paper. We have moved 2 panels from page 6 to page 5. Click, double check nothing overlap each other, especially this corner here, which is good, nothing overlap each other. I'm going to do the same, move the remaining 2 items on the page 6 to page 4. Again, double check nothing overlap each other. So this is page 4 and 5. Page 6 now is empty, so we have saved 1 page. Page 7 for the strawberry body. All the goods will just continue to cut and set up your material and your scoring tools. The finished size of the cupcake, the top of the cupcake, the default one is 4 inch. I have tried to resize this to the smallest, it's 3 inch. So if you want to resize it, I'm going to show you how to resize it. Go to the shapes here and draw a hexagon and make sure the lock is on and change the width to 4. So you can see it's the same size as the top of the cupcake. Now we are going to select all. Right click, group together. Now go to the right hand side panel. Turn off the eye icon for everything and only turn back on the hexagon eye icon. Now only the hexagon is visible, but when click, we choose the top of the group. So this way we select everything and go to the top, change the size to 3 inches, the width to 3 inch. Now we turn back on, click the eye icon on the right hand side again, and click it again. Not everything has been changed to reduce the size. I'll show you. Right click and ungroup. So this hexagon, the width of the hexagon now is 3 inches, and the cupcake and everything have been reduced the size as well. And we don't really need to cut this one, so just delete it. This is how you resize the cupcake. And just continue click make it to cut if you want a smaller cupcake. If you peel off too quickly like this, the color will stuck on it. We will have to manually pick them off. But if we do it slowly to peel off, and that's actually easier. Here are all the cutouts. We have 6 pieces for the cupcake cup. 4 pieces. They are for stronger structure inside the cupcake. 2 big pieces for the cupcake and small cutouts for all the elements. We will start with assemble the small elements first. We are going to assemble the cream for the top first. You can see there are 2 piles. This is the cream base. This is the top of the cream. We are going to fold them first. Fold all the folding line towards you. We have finished folding all the cream elements. Next we're going to do is stick 3 half creams together. Stick 3 pieces of the half one together. 3 of them stick together, look like this, and grab one of the base piece. Apply glue at the back. Like this. This is half of the cream. We just make another half and stick them together. Now we have 2 half cream. Glue them together like this. How cute is this? Repeat the same step to make the rest of the cream. We have all the half cream here. Just need to stick them together now. Now we have done all the cream, 6 in total. Pull it aside. We will assemble the strawberry next. Very easy. Basically get a base, put a strawberry on and put the green top. And glue them together. Easy peasy. Now all the strawberries are done. Move on to the cupcake. We have 2 big pieces for the cupcake and 4 small pieces. They will be hidden inside the cupcake, so we don't really see them. For the folding lines, glue them together. Pull them aside to dry. Fold all the folding lines on the cupcake piece. There are 6 circles on the top. There are marks for position the cream later. Don't fold those circles, we'll just fold the straight lines. The both cupcake pieces are folded. Flip over to the inside. Get these 4 pieces we glued together earlier. And find the 2 panel with the hole on it. We're going to glue those 2 pieces inside of these 2 panels. Make sure the piece doesn't cover any folding lines. later on it might be tricky to show you. I'm going to show you how we are going to do with the rubber band later. We will hook the rubber band on here, on this side, and then twist it in the middle and hook the other end on the other side. This is what we are going to do later on. Glue the two hooks panels together, like this. We'll apply glue here. Continue glue on those two panels. Glue those two panels together. Leave the last two open for now. We are going to put the rubber band in next. Before we could do that, we need to make sure the glue is completely dry. So we're going to wait till the glue is completely dry. Now the glue is dry, we're going to put the rubber band in. It should look like this with two open. So you can see this side we're going to hook rubber band on this side, this panel and this panel. Like the rubber band. Put the rubber band in, twist in the middle. Hooking like this. What we're going to do, we're going to press it down. Press it down and seal those two panels. I'm going to use something heavy. Put on top to keep it in place, and then seal those two ends. Grab those cupcake case panels. We're going to stick them on, glue them on like this. The top of the cupcake case is taller than the panel, so only apply glue up to the point here. Don't apply glue on the top here. Hold it together, flip it to the other side. I'm going to glue the strawberries on. Keep the weight on. We'll glue strawberry like this. Don't let strawberry go over. Keep the strawberry within the panels, and they will overlap each other a bit like this. Now all the strawberries are done. Don't let go of the weights yet. We want to let the glue on the strawberries set. So I'm going to put some pressure on the last few strawberries and let the glue dry first. Now the glue is dry, we remove the weight. And then we are almost done there. We just need to put the cream on the top. You can see those circles, that's where we're going to position the cream. It might be still easier to glue on, just put a weight on it. Slowly release it. That's it, we have done the jumping cupcake. The only things left now is to enjoy it. Now we have made the adorable cupcake. It is satisfying to watch it jump. I have had a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed the project. Thank you for watching.